how to handle returns on Shopify. So here, if we go to orders from the left hand side, then you will be able to see that a person has requested a return right here, or you will be able to see it right here in the alerts. Now, what can we do if a person requests a return? So here we'll choose the order, and then if we click on edit more actions, if you use a third-party applications, for example, AfterShip, you will see the option to create a return like so. And we can just use AfterShip to create a return. If you want to manually return the product or receive it, we will go to the Shopify Help Center and it will tell us this: managing self-serve returns. When a customer submits a return request, you can receive an email, or you receive an email to review the request. You can approve or decline the request in your Shopify admin, which is this. If you approve a return request, then you can email shipping instructions and any return labels to your customer. So you will manually have to email the person who requests the return and how they can actually ship back the product, and you can give them or print out the return labels for them. That way, when you receive the product, you can mark it as returned, and then everything will be good on both ends. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.